Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect WhatsApp with Zapier. In this walkthrough, we'll set up an automated workflow so that when a new email that matches your criteria lands in Gmail, a WhatsApp message is sent automatically. I'll explain each action so you know why you're clicking it and what to expect along the way. Start by opening Zapier and heading to the App Connections area. This is where you manage the apps that your automations, or Zaps, will use. From here, click Create to begin building a new workflow. You'll see a blank canvas split into two parts: the trigger, which starts the process, and the action, which runs after the trigger happens. Click Trigger to define what should kick everything off. In the app search, type Gmail. Select Gmail as your trigger app. Next, choose an event for Gmail. Pick New Email Matching Search. This event looks for incoming emails that meet search terms you define, just like you would in Gmail. It's flexible and powerful. You might use filters such as a specific sender, a label, or a subject keyword. Using a precise search keeps your WhatsApp messages relevant and prevents unnecessary alerts. With the trigger framework in place, move down to the second half of the workflow and click Action. In the app search, type WhatsApp. Select WhatsApp Notifications as your action app. This is the service that will send the message to WhatsApp on your behalf. Depending on your setup and region, you may be prompted to authorize or connect a provider before sending messages. If Zapier asks for access or verification, follow the on-screen steps so messages can be delivered correctly. Now choose the action event for WhatsApp. Select Send Message. This event will allow you to define who receives the WhatsApp notification and what it should say. In the setup that follows, you'll be able to map information from the Gmail trigger, like the sender, the subject, or a snippet of the body, into your WhatsApp message text. Keep your message concise and include only the details you need. For phone numbers, use the full international format to avoid delivery issues. A quick tip as you finalize your configuration: keep your Gmail search narrow to reduce noise, and consider adding clear context in the WhatsApp message so recipients understand why they're getting it. Once the trigger and action are configured, your workflow is ready to operate whenever a matching email arrives, handing off the details directly to WhatsApp. And that's it. You've connected WhatsApp with Zapier by pairing a Gmail trigger with a WhatsApp send message action, creating a reliable notification pipeline that runs on its own.